Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. This is a 34-month update on a pretty nice fella. He's a Pakistani surgeon, and he lives out of the area. And he popped in last week with his mom, and the poor guy is now engaged. His hair's grown in. I tried to convince him that he gets his hair and then he dates for a while, but he got engaged. Whatever. But he does this little video. All right, Dr. Steve, how old a fellow are you?
I'm 38.
And your ethnic background is you're a Pakistani guy.
Yep.
As I told you before, we do all kinds of Indians, Pakistanis, and Afghans every year, and you come in two flavors: skinny hair, you, and fat and bushy hair. That's up to your right, an example of that. But you look good. I got your before picture up from before, and then spin around and look up at the ceiling. And then I think we can finish off almost your entire crown, maybe the whole thing. Chin down just a little bit, and your scar. It's a pretty typical Lindsey average scar of 1 millimeter. Turn back around, please. Was that up front with you? Any
Yeah, absolutely. This is probably one of the best things that I've done. I've been very happy with the results.
My only complaint with you is you just got engaged. You should be using this hair for the benefit of mankind. But all right, thanks for coming today. Now he looks good, Bendy, and I know we're going to do that crown on him and add 200 or 300 hairs to the hairline at some point. But in the video, he was a little bit excited, and then we walked in here, and I put his picture up on the video on the screen to show his mom, and he was like, "Oh, I didn't look like that. I forgot all about it."
Yeah, he had no hair.
We should have shown that first, then he'd been more excited in the video. But in any case, he's got a couple things going for him and against him. Going for him, he's got pretty dense donor area, and he's got a skinny recipient area. Going against him, he's very fair-skinned, and he's got such dark hair. That's a big color contrast. As he gets a little gray from this fiance, it'll match a little bit better. But it's all around unremarkable results. And one of his friends got done with an artist machine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And it didn't turn out as well as this doctor's did. So we're very happy that we were able to help him.
Yeah, he looks
with
great.
a traditional strip case. If we can help you, give us a call. Thanks.